My name's Reggie, by the way. I'm the turkey screaming for his life. Thanksgiving is a turkey's worst nightmare. And trust me, I tried to warn them. And every year, they don't listen. See what I mean? The truth is, I've always been a little bit different. From the very beginning, I never felt like it fit in. I'm the pardoned turkey! I'm the pardoned turkey! I'm gonna live! I'm gonna live! I'm the pardoned turkey! This is blowing my mind! You know what? I'm sick of you throwing me around. You see this line? Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Because I'm pretty clear. That's right. Wait, how do you know my name? Who are you talking to? There's no way I'm going near that thing! My destiny has pizza and TV's on demand! What do you do? Do not make a sound. Shh! I'm Jake from the TFF. That's Turkey Freedom Front. You just been recruited for the top secret mission. Hmm? Snap out of it, Reggie! Because he told me everything about you. The great turkey, he appears in the sky with a bright ball of light and voice that came from everywhere. A time machine. A time machine. A time. What? Who told you that? Of course I did. I was testing you. That's our mission. Not to say 10 turkeys or even 100, but all of them. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving. Take the turkeys off the menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. This guy right here. He totally gets it. Look, see how he's nodding? Hello, soldier. Welcome to the Turkey Freedom Front.